Prosecutors plan to seek the death penalty against the man charged with killing an off-duty Pittsburgh police officer. Police say Christian Bay shot and killed Officer Calvin Hall when Hall was trying to break up a fight at a party in Homewood.
Andy Sheehan explains why prosecutors think a death penalty sentence would be appropriate if Bay is convicted.
Kristen, anything you want to say? He's been under arrest and in county jail since mid-July. But only today did we officially learn that Christian Bay is charged with criminal homicide in the death of Officer Calvin Hall, and that the prosecution has filed a notice of intention to seek the death penalty. A common pleas judge has now unsealed this document and affidavit describing the moments leading up to the fatal shooting on Monticello Street in Homewood after midnight on July 14th. It details an argument between the fallen officer and 4 women at the scene, one of whom sat in the middle of the street blocking Hall's car. The affidavit states that Hall was able to leave, but then returned to apologize and make peace, but was instead shot multiple times in the back. The affidavit recounts the statements of a number of unidentified witnesses who say they either saw a man fitting Bay's description firing or saw a man of the same description with a distinct limp, quote, hustling from the scene. One witness says they saw Bay run between houses in the direction of Fletcher Way, where the following day police recovered what they believed to be the murder weapon, a .45 caliber handgun with the hammer cocked and the serial number rubbed out. It matches the casings that were found at the scene. Bay's attorney, Carmen Robinson, declined to comment, saying she first wanted to review the affidavit and speak with her client. But the case against Bay will largely be based on the testimony of these witnesses, whose composite statements identify Bay as the shooter. Prosecutors will also rely on surveillance video from cameras close to the scene, which police say capture Bay fleeing moments after the shooting. If convicted of first-degree murder, prosecutors will be seeking the death penalty, citing the killing of a peace officer and the endangerment of others at the scene. On Monticello Street in Homewood, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.